Take down your Max Classwork note and write today's date 8/1/2021 Friday. Today's date Friday, Friday, and this month is January, 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 January. Then first home letter mental sums. Write the numbers from 1 to 5. Students, all of you start write the mental sum. The first one, 15 apples shared by 3. 15 apples shared by 3. Okay, have all finished? How will you write the 15 apples shared by 3 means 15 divided by 3. Likewise, you should write the next sum also. That is the second sum, 36 cherries shared by 9. 36 cherries shared by 9. And the third sum, 12 in 3 shares. 12 in 3 shares. Shares means you should do divider. And the fourth sum, 2000 divided by 10. 2000 divided by 10. You cut the 0. And the fifth sum, 40 divided by 40. 40 divided by 40. Have all finished? Okay, students. Students, all of you check out your mental sum answer. The first one, 15 apples shared by 3. That means 15 divided by shared means division. Isn't it? So 15 divided by 3. So the answer is 5. Isn't it? And the second one, 36 cherries shared by 9. So 36 divided by 9. So the answer in the quotient is 4. So next one, third one, 12 in 3 shares. That also division. That is 12 in 3 shares means the 12 divided by 3. That also 4. The quotient is 4. And the fourth sum, 2000 divided by 10. That means you cut here 1 0, here also 1 0. So got the 200. And 40 divided by 40. So the answer is 1. Isn't it? Okay, have all finished? How many of them got full mark? Very good, students. Students, all of you listen here. And this is Reena. And this Reena go to the shop and buy one big chocolate. Okay, buy one chocolate. And this is very tasty. Now, do you like chocolate? Yes, this is very tasty. And Meena want to eat this chocolate. Okay. Suddenly, his friend, Reena come to join her. And now Meena give the chocolate. And Meena share this chocolate to Reena also. Okay. That is, Meena share this chocolate equally for both. Okay. So, she divided the chocolates equally. Now she divided into 2 equal parts. How can we tell these parts? This is half part. And she is having half part. And Meena is having half part. And this is from the 2, she is having only 1 part. That means half. From the 2 parts, she is having, that means Reena is having only 1 part. This is 1/2. So, and this number is called fraction. This number is called fraction. So, fraction is a number that stands for part of the object, whole object. Fraction is a number that stands for parts of a whole object. Okay. And after some time, Veena, come again. Veena, come. In that time, Meena shared these 2 chocolates equally for 3 of them. For the another friend also. Okay. She gave 3 chocolates for each one. At last, only 1 chocolate is left over. She want to left over there because if it is having anyone having one more thing, this is not equally, isn't it? This is not equally, and so this is equal. So Meena divided the chocolate equal by the equal parts, isn't it? Okay, now we are going to write the fraction. So totally how many chocolates are there? 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 9 chocolates are there. And here 3 chocolates, fraction is 3 by 9. 3 by 9. Here Reena chocolates having 3 by 9 fraction. And Meena chocolate having 3 by 9 fraction. Okay, these are the equal parts. These are the equal parts. So, and this 3 by 9, this is how will you read? 3 by 9. 3 by 9. So, we write as 3. The topmost part number is 3. You write the number name of 3 hyphen and the below number is 9. You should write the 9 in ordinals. That means 9th. So here again 3 you write. How will you write? 3 9th. That is above number write the number name only. Below number you write in ordinal number name or ordinal name. Okay, and this is fraction of this chocolate, and this is how will you read this number? How will you write this number? This is read as, this is write as. This is read as, this is write as. Okay, and read as means 3 by 9. 3 by 9. Okay, have you understood? And this is Meena divided the 9 chocolates into 3 friends at equally. Okay, at equally. Okay, Amma. Have you understood? Again, I take one more chocolate and want to divide into 3 parts. I want to divide into 3 parts. Okay. First of all, you check out whether is that equal or unequal. Yes, equal. So, it is a fraction. Okay. And now we are going to write the fraction numbers. Here, how many parts are there? 3 parts are there. Totally, how many parts are there? 3 parts. I take out only 1. Now, this fraction of chocolate is 1 by 3. Totally 3 numbers. I take out only 1. That is 1 by 3. This fraction number is 1 by 3. Always listen again. When we divide the chocolates into different parts, that is fraction. From the whole. That is important. From the whole. In division, there are total number of biscuits and divided into 2 parts. Divided into 4 guys means we should divide into 4. Here, only one whole. Only one whole. We should divide the whole one and the part. We find out the part. One part is fraction. That means 1 by 3. So 1 by 3, how will you read? 1 by 3. How will you write? 1/3. 1/3. Okay. And the next one, I'll take both. Okay. I taken both. So here, how many parts are? Total parts are 3. And I take out both 2. So 2 by 3. How will you read? 2 by 3. So write as 2 third. This is numerator, this is denominator. So, and the upper part number is write number name, the lower part number you should write in ordinal. That is 2/3. Okay, have you understood? So, students, this is fraction. And we should divide the whole part into equally parts. Divide into equally parts. Okay, that is fraction. And here 3/9, here also 3/9, here also 3/9. So this 3/9 is the fraction number. This is the number. This is the number and it stands for a part. It stands for a part from the whole part. That is from the full chocolate. That is the whole part means full chocolate. Isn't it? From the full chocolates, they divided into equal parts. Okay. And this is fraction. And students, what is this? Yes, this is apple. That means full apple. That means whole apple, isn't it? That means full apple. Okay. And this apple I want to cut into 2 parts. I cut it. That is here. Is this, first of all, you have to see is this equally? Yes, equally. So here one equal part. Here also one equal part. So this is half. This is also half. Half means how will you write? Yes, 1/2. Here 1/2. Again I will cut into 2 parts. The half one. Now how many parts are there? From the whole? Yes, 4 parts are there. Yes, from the whole this is 1 part. And we join together from how many parts? Only 1, that is 4, isn't it? Now having 4. And this is from the whole one, only 1, 4. 1/4. 1/4. And this also 1/4. And this also 1/4. And this also 1/4. And another one, this is fraction number. This is fraction number. And this fraction number, how will you read? 1/4. How will you read? Read as 1/4. Will you read 1/4? And how will you write in words? That means 1. The upper number. Okay, the upper number is 1. You should write the number name. The lower number 4. So you should first of all put the hyphen. And lower number is 4 means you should write the ordinal. Write in ordinal. That means 4 is 4th. 1/4. This is 1/4. We should divide it into 4 parts equally. This is fraction. This fraction named as 1/4. 1/4. And this fraction write as 1/4. This fraction write as 1/4. How we written the 1/4? Yes, the top number is 1, which means we should write the number name. The lower part of number is 4. That is 4th, ordinal number. Okay. How will you write this 1/4? Yes. Totally, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, I written the 4 parts, total parts below. And above, only 1 part, I take out only 1 part from the whole part. So, that is only 1 part. That means taken parts, shaded parts. Okay. And I'll tell another one. You will understand clearly. Students, again listen carefully. And here how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts are there. These 8 parts are divided by from the one whole, isn't it? Our full apple eduthu na 8 parts divide pannirken. Okay, so totally the fraction, how will you write the fraction number? That means, which means total parts. Total parts below and upper number of shaded parts or number of taken parts. Shaded parts. Okay. So, and this is numerator. Okay. And we should study in another time. Yes. How many numbers are there? Totally how many numbers are there? Now how many parts are there? 8 parts are there. Isn't it? Here only 1 I taken. So how many parts are now there? What is the fraction of this apple? 1 by 8. What is the fraction of this apple? 1 by 8. 1 by 8. From the 8, I taken only 1 part. So that is 1 by 8. And this is fraction. How will you read as means 1 by 8. How will you write 1 hyphen 8th? That means ordinal. Sorry. Ordinal. 1/8. Okay. Another time. Second time. How many parts are there totally? 8. Now I am having 2 parts. How many parts? 2 parts. What is the fraction of these 2 parts of the apple? Yes, 2 by 8. 2 by 8. 2 by 8 means 2. We write as 2/8. The ordinal of 8. Okay. And second time. So third time. How many total parts are? 8. Total parts are 8. From that 8, I taken out 4. Here 4 parts are there. How many parts are there? 4 parts are there. The fraction of 4 parts of these apples are 4 by 8. 4 by 8. So, 4, the upper number 4 directly number name and the below lower number 8th. And one more thing, the upper number means, and this is called as numerator, 4 by 8, and this is, hereafter don't say this is upper number, this is lower number. This is numerator. Numerator. Numerator, Numerator. So, numerator. And the lower number means, and lower part is called denominator. That means the spelling is Denominator. Denominator. Okay. And this is numerator. The lower part is denominator. All of you say again. Numerator, denominator. Numerator, denominator. Okay. All of you see this picture. And what is the fraction of this picture? Here only 1 whole. Isn't it? Only 1 whole. Total number also 1 and divided parts also 1. So this is 1 whole. 1 by 1 means 1 whole. This is 1 whole. And we should divide into 2 parts. Now it is divided into 2 parts, that is, and this place 1 by 2. And this place 1 by 2. How will you read this 1 by 2? 1/2. 1/2. And another one. This is the whole parts divided into 3 parts. The whole object divided into 3 parts. And this is 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. And this is 1 by 3. How will you read as 1 by 3? 1, write as 1/3. What is the ordinal for 3? Third. So, we write the 1/3. What is the ordinal for 2? Half. So 3, 1/3. And another one. And see the picture. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally you should write the total numbers in the total parts in the denominator. Total number of parts in the denominator. And how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So 3 number in the numerator. And this is the fraction of this sum. This is the fraction of this sum. So how will you write this fraction? And the numerator number name. Numerator, what is the numerator number? 3. So you should write the number name of numerator 3. And the denominator number is 5, means you should write in ordinal. That means fifth. 5 is fifth. Okay. And another one example. See this picture. Here how many parts are? You should write in the total parts in the denominator. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 parts are there. Okay. And numerator you should write the shaded parts. How many parts are shaded? 2 parts only shaded. How will you write this fraction? Yes, sir. First of all, you write the numerator number name hyphen and denominator ordinal. Denominator number you should write in ordinal. That means 8th. Okay. And the next sum, and they can give the number, they can give the fraction in written form. That is 1/2. You should draw the 1/2. 1/2 fraction. How will you draw? And this is 1/2. Isn't it? And 2/6. And you should write the 6th. Total parts is 6. So and total parts is 6. Okay. And in that 6, 2 is the numerator. And 6 is the denominator, means you should write the total parts. Numerator shaded parts. How many shaded numbers are? Yes, 2. So you should write shaded 2. And you should draw different pictures also. That means in the 2, 6 means 6 balls. And this is the all the equal ball. Okay, all the shape of the ball equally. And here 2. Okay, and how many balls are there? Totally 6. And 2 only shaded. 2 balls only shaded. Okay, and all the balls are shape is equally. Okay, and this is how will you draw from the given fraction number to draw, and they given the fraction picture to you should find out the fraction number. Okay, have you understood? Okay, all of you see these same things. And what is the vegetable of this one? And this is lemon, isn't it? And this is bitter gourd. Okay, I should divide into divided into 2 parts. Okay. All of you see here, which is the correct fraction? Which is the fraction? And fraction means it is divided into equal parts, isn't it? Equal parts. Is that equal parts? Yes. The 2 parts are equally. So this is correct fraction. Okay. And this is equal parts? No. This is unequally, isn't it? So this is not fraction. This is not fraction. Okay. And the fraction means we should divide into equal parts. Okay. Thank you. Students, all of you take down your maths classwork note again and write second Rome letter fraction heading. A fraction is the number that stands for the parts of a whole object. A fraction is the number that stands for the parts of a whole object. And this is one whole, isn't it? And when we divide an object into 2 equal parts, each part is called 1/2. And when we, this is the whole part, okay. When we divide an object into two equal parts, and this is one equal part and this is also second equal parts, two equal parts. So each part, this part only called 1/2. That means 1/2. How will you write as 1/2 or 1/2? And this is read it as 1/2. Write very neatly. And the next one. When we divide an object into 3 equal parts, each part is 1/3 as 1/3 and read as 1/3. Okay. When this is a whole object, the whole object, and we can divide into 3 parts, and each part is called 1/3. Here also 1/3. Here also 1/3. And don't write here, okay, and you should write here only, and don't write this one. And here 1/3, here 1/3, here also 1/3. So, and here only one number only, one box only, one part only shaded. So we should write shaded parts out, upside, and downside we should write total parts. 1, 2, 3. So 3 parts, total parts. And in the above line above, only one part is shaded. So we should write only one. Okay. And this one we should going to read 1/3. Otherwise, we should write as 1/3. 1/3. One is normal, numeral, and here ordinal, that is third. Okay. And fraction, how will you write the fraction number? In above parts, we should write the shaded parts, the number of shaded parts. Number of shaded parts. And below, total parts of a whole. Number of shaded parts, here total parts of a whole. Then we get the fraction number. Okay, and the next one. And the next heading, 1/4 or quarter. 1/4. When we divide an object into 4 equal parts, each part is called 1/4 or quarter. Okay, that is, this is the whole part. That is one whole part. And we should divide into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one part is called 1/4. And another part is called 1/4. Another part is also called 1/4. Here also 1/4. So we should write only one fraction, that is shaded part right above. That means only one part is shaded. And below, how many total parts? Yes, total number of parts is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. 1/4. Okay. And we should, how will you read as this one? 1/4. 1/4. That means 1 is normal numeral, name, and the second below ordinal. Okay, ordinal name. 1/4. Otherwise, you should write 1-4th. And the next one. Write the fraction. Write the fraction. First of all, you have to count how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, how many parts are there? So, 7. That is, you should write below. Okay. And above, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So, 3 parts are shaded. Okay. And you should write. So, writers here, writers here, readers only 3/7. That is, writers 3/7. 3/7. And the next sum, you should draw this one. And first of all, count how many now how parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many parts are there? 10. Below you should write total number of parts. Whole total parts. And above, how many parts are shaded? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are shaded. You should write the 4 number above. Okay, this is, and one more thing, this is numerator and this is denominator, isn't it? Yes, how will you write this? 4, you should write the number name and hyphen, and the below number you should write in the ordinal. An ordinal for 10, 10th, isn't it? 10th. And read as 4 by 10. 4 by 10. Okay. Fraction is 4 by 10. And also read as the in the numerical. Okay. And this is from the above number you should write the normal number name, and the below number you should write ordinal name, that is 10th, TH adding TH. Okay. And this is your assignment work. That is, you should finish the classwork note. That is this page and this page and also this page from this page. Okay. And also all of you take down your maths book, page number 136. Turn the page number 136. You should finish this page also. Okay, that is you color 1/2. You should just coloring the 1/2. And here 1/3. And here 1/4. Color the figures according to the given fraction. So given already the given one fraction number, you should color it for the given fraction. And here what are the, you should write the fraction. You find out and write the fraction number. Okay. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next class.